And the rope early is taken by Mamahalin from the outside. And by the rail is second, Minotaur, Hello Georgius. And moving up on the outside is number 2, that's Asian Beauty. There's a spill, entry number 4 took a spill. It's Mamahalin in the lead, followed by Minotaur in second. And running in third, Hello Georgius. And Asian Beauty on the outside, Mystica and Iceberg. And at the mid-back stretch, it is still Mamahalin by a length and a half, followed by Minotaur in second. Hello Georgius running in third by 5 lengths, Asian Beauty, Mystica, and Iceberg. Rounding the far turn, it's Mamahalin by 3 lengths, followed by Minotaur in second. Hello Georgius remains in third by 4 lengths, Asian Beauty on the outside, and Mystica, Iceberg. The last bend for home. It is still Mamahalin by 3 lengths, followed by Hello Georgius by the rail, Minotaur on the outside, Mystica, Asian Beauty, and Iceberg. And into the home stretch, nearing the payoff line is still Mamahalin, the favorite, leading the field, followed by Hello Georgius, Minotaur on the outside. And finally at the payoff line, it is cinched for entry number 7, Mamahalin, Hello Georgius, Minotaur, Mystica, Asian Beauty.
Okay, 7351 order of